Hi, hello, and welcome to Rebel Unicorn Crafts. We are on day 7 of our tips and tricks for improving your fluid painting practice. In today's episode, we're featuring the hypocrite herself, me, and today's tip is level, level, level. I want you to do as I say and not as I do or often do, because I have very few videos where I can actually show you successful leveling, and instead I can show you what happens when you don't level properly. Check out this beautiful pour that sat and it was not completely level, so the next day it was so nice, but it was not as nice. Or if you watched my pumpkin video, it was a very nice pumpkin when I went to bed, and it was melted goo the next morning. So, level your paintings. However you find works best for you, if you can, it will greatly improve your painting practice, and you'll spend less time being sad about how paintings turn out and have more successes. That's all that we have for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any other tips or tricks, please leave them in the comments below, or you can share them with me through my Instagram at Rebel Unicorn Crafts or at Lacey Walker Art. I hope you have a magically creative day.